Hello folks, Scott Neal again. I have received yet another box of crap. Thought I'd open it up with you folks tonight and have take a look at it and see what we've got. This box of crap did come from the September 26th Woot-off. If you don't know what a Woot-off is, go to Woot.com. They'll have a thing on there and tell you exactly how to get a Woot box of crap. So we don't have any idea what's in this, so let's open it up together, shall we, and see what we've got. This box came in at 4.5 pounds, so definitely not a heavy box, but not all things good or heavy. So let's see what we've got in this box. Okay. Well, we know that we're going to get the obligatory box, a bag of crap bag. We, of course, got our stuffed air. Got to have stuffed air. There's an obligatory bag of crap. Every bag of crap, every box of crap gets a bag of crap bag. So let's start off with a Loofa back scrubber. All right. I'm sure this is designed of the highest quality. The Loofa back scrubber. Okay. What else do we have in here? We have a jersey. You tell them what we got, Nolan.
New York Giants.
A New York Giants jersey. There we go. And it's Nolan's size, extra large. Okay, what else do we have? We have, of course, the Woot for your Buyers for More's tissues. So if we're not happy with what we've got, then at least we got something to rub our wet eyes with. Okay. What else? We have a pink bath set. I'm hoping Yvonne will like that. The pink bath set with a scrub brush and some scrubbing net things in there. Okay. What else? Packing tape. Never without packing tape ever again. We've got packing tape. We have, I guess this is his and her loofahs. So we got two of these. And last but not least, we're getting close to last but not least, we have a what is it, Nolan? It is I assume that we're advertising milk and cookies. That's what it looks like to me. An empty plate of cookies and some empty glasses of milk, I guess. I don't know. And the Cookie Monster. I get it. The Cookie Monster has ate himself and drunk himself nearly to death. Alright. Alright, so last but not least, we have a little box. What do you think it is? I don't know what it is either. It's looks like I think I know what it is. It's a flask. It's a flask. We can put some milk in the flask and take it with us and give it to the Cookie Monster. Alright, that's it for this month's Woot Crap in the Box. I would say this is probably one of the more crappier crap in the box deliveries we've gotten. But it's just an extra large. Maybe we can wear a couple of the shirts, Nolan. What do you think? Use the Loofa scrubbers. Anyways, thanks, Woot. We appreciate it, and we'll try again in another month or so for another box of crap. Have a good one.